Ooh, that was a bite. Oh, there we go. That's a nice brown. Oh man, that is a real nice brown. Well, if that doesn't get you excited for fishing a new creek, I don't know what will. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, there it is. Right in front of me. What's up YouTube? Eastern PA Fishing here. The date is October 8th. Actually went out and shot this video yesterday, but realized when I got back to the house that I wasn't recording for the intro and also the first fish. So this video is going to start out at the second fish. It's actually the next thing that happened right after I shot the intro and caught the first fish. This is just a short little video, guys. I wasn't really talking too much. I was just fishing the entire time, throwing a very tiny little rooster tail and catching myself a whole bunch of wild brown trout. I did a little research and I went to explore a new creek that I had never been to before. I didn't have any idea what was really going to be there. Caught myself a pretty good haul, especially for this time of year, and had a real fun time doing some fall creek fishing. If at any point in time you guys like the content, scroll down below, hit that thumbs up button. Helps me out and the fish like it as well. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Let's get right to the fishing. I don't know if I got the first one on video. Hopefully I did. Well, let's catch number 2 for the day. Ooh, that was a bite. Oh, there we go. That's a nice brown. Oh man, that is a real nice brown. Don't come off. Dang, guys. This is why I do the research I do. Come to these awesome places. Look at that. Dang, that is a freaking huge wild brown. I think this is my personal best wild brown for sure. Oh man, dude, this brown is freaking out. Oh man, look at this. Wet my other hand so I can show you. Look at this brown. That is a huge wild brown for this little creek. Oh my gosh. Whoa, 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 calm down, buddy. Calm down, don't shake. Man, this is exactly why we come on these adventures. Look at that brown. That is a gigantic wild brown. There we go. Man, what a nice fish. Holy smokes. Well, if that doesn't get you excited for fishing a new creek, I don't know what will. Let's keep moving, let's keep fishing, see what else we can come out with here. That is probably the biggest wild trout I've ever seen. Let's head back downstream. Didn't really see anything upstream. It started to get super shallow. Not trying to waste too much time. I don't have all day to fish, but we're definitely gonna be catching some more trout today. Hope you guys all like the content so far. Hit the thumbs up button. Helps me out and the fish like it as well. You gotta be kidding me. Right there. Man, that was just about 3 yards in front of us. Another little wild brown. That is crazy. I cannot freaking believe these fish are here. There we go. There's another brown. Oh, well, there's number 4. Oh, there's another. There we go, number 5. It's like we're coming up on some more good spots. Here we have 5 trout so far. Oh, there it is. There's another. Beautiful wild brown. Here you go. Ooh, there you go, there's another. There you go, another one. It's gonna be another one. Oh, you almost had it. Right in front of me. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Let's head back now. Not too much more to fish. Oh, there we go, there's another. Oh man, how many browns is this, guys? Like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Probably about the 10th little wild trout we caught today. Oh, couldn't even hold him. There we go, that was probably about number 10. I don't even know how many we have right now. It's a lot of wild trout. Well, everybody, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one here today. Had another great time fishing in Tiny Creek in Pennsylvania for wild brown trout. I never would have guessed there would be so many creeks around here with wild trout, but I'm just thankful that I did the research and I found these and I went to them and actually discovered that there are trout here. You guys can find them if you do the research yourself. I'm not going to disclose the location of any of these creeks because I don't want people to blow them up. Anyway, I hope you guys all like the content. If at any point you did, scroll down below. Hit the thumbs up button. It helps me out and it fish like this well. Eastern PA fishing here. You know what it is by now. Till next time, guys, keep on fishing.